before the word for sky, before the pulse they named a star, when silence still was asking why, and pain was just a distant scar. No crown, no fate, no promised end, just endless breath and burning sight. I watched your fragile story bend under the changing weight of light. You learned to fear me from my shadow first. You learned my name from broken prayers. I was alive before the world had a name, before your gods learned hunger and shame. You call me ruin, you call me the end, yet you keep coming back again. You close your eyes, you hold your breath, and walk the knife edge of my depth. You think I sleep beneath the ground, a tired blade in ancient stone, but I am ocean without a sound, the dark between where worlds are sown. Your frantic lives, your fleeting wars are ripples in a deeper dream, a passing crack that barely scars the surface of a timeless stream. You draw your borders in the sand, I draw extinction with one hand. I was alive before the world had a name, before your gods learned hunger and shame. You call me ruin, you call me the end, yet you keep coming back again. You close your eyes, you hold your breath, and walk the knife edge of my depth. I watched your prophets rot in light, your heroes beg for borrowed flame. I watched your angels lose the fight and fold their wings for smaller names. You begged me once to save your kind, then begged again to wear your crown. You built your truth on hollow lies and asked for chains to pull you down. Before the world had a name, before the echo of prayer and blame. I don't forgive, I don't pretend, I am the beginning without an end. You call it chaos, you call it fate, I call it balance, you learn too late. When all your truths dissolve to ash, you'll feel my shadow in the crowd.